Hi, welcome back to Let's Try. If you have been following Creative Fabrica, by now you would know that there's a new software named CFSpark. So CFSpark is an artificial intelligence that generates graphics based on your written description known as prompts. So let's explore CFSpark. First, you can click on Spark Create page, or on the left hand side where you will see create. Then you will type in your description in the prompt bar and click on ignite. I am typing in something totally random. You can see how simple it is to generate graphics. So these are the 4 results that I got from my search, from my description for us to choose from. If you don't like any, you don't have to choose any of them. You can actually go back and choose different keywords for your description. So you can click on Upscale, open, it will show up on my profile, which means it can be viewed by other creators, it can be shared. As you see on the right hand side, it can be downloaded by other creators and yourself. Now there are a few things that I would like to show you that I discovered. First is the prompt book. Now the prompt book is basically suggestions or examples of how you can enter your prompts to get the best results. So let's try one with the longest description. Click on copy, then paste in the search bar back on your create page and click on ignite. So these are the 4 results that we got. So if you like all, you can upscale all. If you only like one or a few, it's up to you. You can upscale how much you want. Let's try to use the same description again in the prompt bar and see what will happen. Now you'll see that we got 4 different results based on the same description. So that's another option if you don't like what you received the first time around. So I am upscaling these, clicking on open, and here you will see a title. Scroll down, you will see tags. Then you will see a description of the graphic. One thing that you need to note is that it's commercial uses allowed, which means that you cannot use the graphics as is. You have to edit before you place it on a product and make sure that this edit is noticeable. Then we move on to fast credit. Once you purchase the monthly subscription for $4.99, you will see that you have fast credits. The fast credits allows your graphics to be generated faster because there's a queue. So once you have credits, your search will jump to the top of the queue. Also, Creative Fabrica is currently running a competition. In order to enter, you need to have a monthly subscription. Something else that I like to show you that I've noticed is when we go back to the prompt book, click on Prompt Mania. Here you can add an image to prompt or type a description. They'll ask you for a subject when typing. Let us go with a landscape, which is green pastures. Then we can keep adding more parts, which is more details. The second part, We can put hound dogs, and horses. And for our next part, we could put hunting in a forest with kings. Very random. We'll go back to the top where you see the search bar, see the option to copy, go back to our create page, paste and ignite. Let's see what the 4 options will be. I have noticed when you have more details like this one, you will get better results, you get better titles, better descriptions, tags. So being as detailed as possible, as far as I can see, will give you better results rather than being vague than the one I just put in with the horses. So we are going to upscale 2 of them, and then you will notice on the left hand side my fast credits are going down. If you want to remove a listing, you can click on the image, scroll down to the bottom, and you will see remove this listing, and then click on yes, remove my creation. So that's all that I've learned so far. If there are any updates, I'll be sure to let you know and make a part 2 of this video. If you saw that I missed anything, also put it in the comments down below. We are all learning, so be sure to share it down below. Thank you so much for being here. Be sure to click on subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications. I'll see you next time. Bye.